Oh boy, look who we got here, huh? Look at this guy.
Don't film me.
Huh? Look who we got here, boys.
Out of my face.
Alright, what's going on, YouTube? We're back at it tonight. We got Tup in the garage.
What's up, YouTube?
Yep, you've seen him before. So we're gonna wrap up the final touches on the M3 before we send it off to the cage builder. Before we head to Packer's place, we're probably gonna grab a bite to eat. But so tonight, in this video, what we got, we're going to do the sunroof delete while the cage isn't in there, because that'll be a lot easier. I think Packer and Mike are going to gut the new doors. I'm sure they'll probably loop us in to help. I don't know how long we'll stay. Be a chill night. We're just hanging out. Probably get some B-roll, some easy stuff. So anyway, follow along. And yeah, let's grab some dinner first. Oh, we also got to get the tow straps out of the trailer. So we got to grab the tow straps out of, or we got to get the tie down straps out of the trailer because I think James lost his. So I'm going to go do that.
Yep. There he goes. Oh, what's the problem, buddy? Forget something? So why don't you tell the viewers what happened?
I grabbed the shed key and I meant to grab the trailer key. So let's drive back to the, oh, wrong button. So let's drive back to the garage and get the right key.
Yeah, right now we're in Bongbong's backyard, and
Alright, if you find yourself in Central Virginia, Bonchon Chicken. We're getting Bonchon before we go work on the car. I think James and Mike are already over there right now, getting their butts kicked. But anyway, oh, there's a thing on the wall. San Mateo, Norfolk, Richmond, Fairfax, San Francisco, Las Vegas, Philadelphia, New York City, Bahrain, Hanover, Salem and Midlothian, Singapore, Washington, D.C., Arlington, Philippines, Mabuhay, Cambodia, Newark, Costa Mesa, Thailand, and New Jersey City. Hey YouTube, tell me what you think about this new vlogging format. Okay, over and out. Delicious.
Hello! What's up?
What's up, man?
Hi, Bongbong.
Hey.
What's going on?
What's up? So here we are at Packer's house, and they're in the process of doing a sunroof delete.
The first problem is this is the shortest sheet metal screw I could find, and the back 4 holes in the sunroof delete, you have to tap your own holes. The rest of them are already used from the old sunroof cassette. So, yeah, story of my life. Always too long.
No one's ever said that to me.
Exactly. Okie-doke. And that was the most stressful moment of the evening right there. When you go to screw it in, the screws that you have are going to be too long and you're going to dimple your hood, and that's like the big mistake that everyone makes. What I did was measure, and I went and bought some washers. It's a thick it's a thick washer, right? This is the length, and it works great for the factory sunroof assembly. However, when you're dealing with a 2mm piece of fiberglass, that leaves a lot of extra screw to go through and up and dimple. What we're gonna do is reduce that. And so between this and the 2mm there into the existing threads, we should not dimple.
Nice.
Shouldn't. This sunroof panel is available from S2R in California. The owner's name is Alex, and he is a grassroots motorsports kind of guy. He is seriously nice, seriously helpful. Spent probably more time than I should have asked of him talking about this. He makes them in fiberglass, he makes them in carbon fiber, and his customer service is amazing. And when he ships these things out, he ships them like they're baby ducks. I mean, like this thing showed up perfect. So you're not gonna believe how tight the tolerance is when we put this in. You're gonna swear this is made by BMW and not some cool guy in California. Again, the stress point has nothing to do with S2R. It has everything to do with using the right hardware to install. And you can see S2R has done all the hard work for you. These pre-drilled holes right here, I mean, these are exactly where they need to be, which is great. So I found these washers. Let's measure them here so you know. So it's about a 3 millimeter thickness. So that's gonna eat up 3 millimeters of this. And this is about 10 millimeters long, the factory one. This, I've already measured, is about 2 millimeters. So between this and that, you're eating up 5 millimeters, which should do the trick. Prevent us from dimpling the roof. Hopefully that saves you a little bit of time and frustration and stress. For the back, we had to buy sheet metal screws.
Oh, because you actually have to bite into the...
There's 4 in the back that you actually have to bite in and drill. All the other 10 are already done for you, and you use the factory hardware with this washer. The back ones, and I'm catching a little slack here for this being the shortest one I could find, but we're gonna have to washer up on this one even more so. Maybe use 2 of these 3 millimeter thickness ones, but we'll get it figured out.
What do you think about that, Tup? Crazy.
Heads up.
Wow.
Wow, that is a tight fit. Look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive.
Isn't that wild?
Yeah. Nice work, boys.
Shout out to S2R for this precision fit fiberglass mold he made for this.
It's insane.
I mean, it's so precise, I wouldn't even screw it in. Just let it ride, dude.
Alright. Yeah.
Damn, I kind of want one for mine now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll have to say, YouTube, this might be the least amount of work I've ever done in one of these videos.
Yeah.
I highly recommend it.
No dimples yet. So I'm glad I'm doing this because on the other side, we'll see how it goes on this side, I felt the panel snug up.
Yeah, it'll snug up a little bit. That caulk is cool right now, so it's not really viscous. It's a little more viscous than it is. So you really want it to kind of warm up so it, you know, and pull it into there.
Yeah, it's always hard to work with a cold caulk.
Pro tip, the warmer your cock, the easier it is to work with.
True story.
This is ultra black. Black cock.
We recommend warming up ultra black cock for this job. Am I gonna get demonetized for this?
You want to make sure that you warm it up. Otherwise, or it's in a warm environment. Otherwise, it'll be too hard, and you won't be able to really get it into the spaces you need to get it into. So, the warmer your cock, the better product you're going to have to work with. Better outcome you're going to get.
Dr. Tup?
It's true, I work with a lot of cock.
So, what kind of stereo are we installing on this thing?
We're going Alpine.
Sick.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get like 400 watts per speaker going.
Sick.
Yeah,
Any neons going under the car?
of course.
Nice.
You mean more neons?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
got to.
Nas?
Yeah, actually I'm building NOS into the roll cage. That's the only reason I'm getting a roll cage, is so I can hide the NOS in the roll cage instead of a NOS bottle.
Your screw thread can't go past that. That's why I loaded up 4 of those things.
Yeah, but you used 4 thick ones, didn't you?
I sure did.
Okay, I'm out of the thick ones. All right, so what I have left to do tonight is to get the doors off
Yeah.
and the seat put in, which is gonna be cake.
Wait, so you are gonna take the doors off?
Yep.
Okay.
This one is all ready to come off, except I can't get one little door pin.
So currently right now I've got those dudes over there working on getting the pin out of the check, and I'm over here just helping. Alright, so we're trying to get the door check off and the roll pin stuck, and it looks like that there's a pin inside the roll pin. So I've got a hunch here. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna try and remove the pin right here.
There you go. You knocked the top off.
That's not good.
Yeah, it's a 2-part pin. That's what they said.
Yeah.
All right, now you gotta hammer it.
Yeah, but we didn't get the pin. We just broke
Hey, just hammer it.
Just send it, Josh.
There you
What are
go.
you doing?
It's moving. There you go.
I mean, he's like a genius.
There you
Dude is a genius.
Alright,
go.
there you go. So you have an E36 and you're trying to get the door check pin out. There's a pin inside the pin. Take the pin out from the bottom and take the other pin out from the bottom, and all your friends troll you and you get it out. What's gonna happen?
Oh, sh**.
Okay.
Okay, that was...
I am wrong.
That was the chillest, like... You turned your race car into a Wrangler. Congratulations.
Yoo-hoo!
We're going to the beach! It's fun, you do it once, you get it a little bit quicker the second time around. Super fast. Oh, alright.
Oh, we have no doors. Inside the luxury German car with no doors.
We've got the doors off. At this point, I think James wants to put in the driver's seat. And I think that'll be it for the night, so... Yeah? Seat? Yep, seat, okay.
Oh, yeah. Hey, yeah, let's put a seat in this thing so I can, you know, get it in the right spot, because apparently that matters when they're putting the cage in.
So Packard's really excited about his brand new seat here. It's the Sparco Pilot.
Mm-hmm.
You could fit like 3 of me in here.
And there's always room in my Sparco for you, Josh.
Oh, thank you, buddy.
Even when I'm in it.
Stay tuned this summer for some really weird videos. James, why don't you tell them about these plates you got here? These are pretty baller.
These are VAC adapter plates. They work on an E36 and an E46. And it's like infinite adjustment. You know, they line up perfectly with the existing seat mounts, holes and bolts, and it's really safe too. I mean, it's great stuff. They're not cheap. They're worth it though.
Coated aluminum.
Yeah, I'm not sure if the seat brackets I made for mine are quote-unquote safe, but they're safe enough.
But it's a little floppy. That is a big boy seat.
It is a big boy seat.
Because I think
Backwards? Are your brackets backwards?
I don't think so.
Oh, let me see. Yeah, you're definitely gonna need them lower than that. Really? Oh, yeah, they were kind of tricky, man. They feel a little bit.
What are you gonna say about
Did you run them in first and check them out?
It's cool.
Nice, there you go. That looks good.
They're friends.
Who says we're your friends?
I mean, it's good to have people hang out and drink my beer.
There you go.
She feels good. So I feel like I need to be over.
Okay. You okay with that?
Mm-hmm.
How about your foot? How about your distance?
I'm good. I think this is actually perfect, but I kinda think I've got great.
Are you feeling cramped?
I'm not feeling cramped. I'm just wondering.
Are you centered with the wheel? That's the big thing.
I mean, I think I'm as centered as I could be,
Yeah.
unless I came.
Yeah, that's gonna be the hard thing. That's where I am.
And then once you get it out there and you get into it, it's you don't notice
No.
it.
I mean, M2 from the factory isn't even centered on the wheel.
Right. And this
Not
is
that I know that. I just read that in a magazine.
no, and this is really close to an M2.
I read it in a book.
Very close. I mean, it's like
All right.
Alright, so where's your Sharpie?
All right, so I think this concludes it for the night. We got
Sunroof panel in.
Oh yeah, we got the sunroof panel in. We got the doors off. We got the car pretty much ready to go for tomorrow. What?
To the yeah.
So you guys are getting up early tomorrow to get it on the trailer. I'm gonna be in bed.
Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
We'll send you a text.
Yeah.
Like a lot of them.
Don't. All right, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Actually, next time, I really gotta get started on my car. So I'm going to probably start doing that soon. But I've been really dragging my feet on that. So
There's
anyway,
no rush. There's no rush. You can keep coming over here and helping out.
we got what, 60 days?
You going to March?
Yeah. I already signed up.
Did you really?
Yeah. So
I think I'm the only one who didn't sign up.
You need to sign up.
It's not too late, bruh.
Not too late. Just do it.
Oh, he's on camera getting pressure.
The internet knows that you didn't sign up.
I know.
Comment below if you think Mike should take his M3 to VIR in March. Okay. Alright, so I get all the way home and realize I forgot to give James the tie-down straps for his car for the trailer. And he's supposed to get that thing on tomorrow morning at like, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 a.m. Hey, I just got home and realized I have the tie-down straps in my car. So do you know if you... Do you have tie-down straps at your house? I don't mind going back, but before I do, can you check to see if you have tie-down straps at your house? Alright, so I guess we're just gonna wait for James to call me back to see if he's got another set of tie-down straps, ratchet straps for the car tomorrow morning. What time is it? Oh, it's only 11:56, so it's not tomorrow yet.